Yeah. Noise for Nika, April 13th. She raising her fist for y'all. Y'all come out, you know what I'm saying? Show mad love for Nika. Say hi, Nika. Hi. Say I love you. Yeah. Noise for Nika, people. April 13th. You know what it is. Yeah, get it. Noise for Nika. Y'all save this beautiful little girl, alright? Everyone knows. Show some love for your community and support this beautiful young girl. As you can see, she love her music career. She up in the studio. Here.
Street Smoker Records, man.
See it, Nika.
Oh.
Oh.
Alright, we good.
Oh, we got it, yeah. Let's see it, Nika. Give us a fist pump. Give us a fist pump, Nika. There you go. Double fist pump, baby.
Paul,
Yeah.
what you know about that?
Now tell me y'all wouldn't love to see a beautiful show for this beautiful girl. Noise for Nika, April 13th, Friday the 13th. 2012. Kill it out. Look at this girl. She loves music just as much as the rest of us. Come out to the show. April 13th, Friday the 13th. Noise for Nika. $10 advance tickets. $12 at the door. Beer pong. Lots of food and more.